In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Wix. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website. Once you're on their homepage, locate the login option, typically positioned at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll be swiftly directed to your dashboard. It's always a good idea to keep your username and password handy or saved in a secure manager if you tend to forget. Now, we're moving on to selecting and editing your site. Once in your account dashboard, you should see a list of your sites. If you have multiple websites, locate the one you want to customize. Next to your chosen website, you'll find an option that says Select and Edit Site. Click on this to proceed. Remember, ensuring you're working on the correct site is essential to avoid making changes where you don't intend to. Once you've entered the site editor, look for the Design Site option. This is usually accessible from a menu at the top or side of the page. Clicking here allows you to make various customizations to your site's design. Take a moment to explore the design settings. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for adding those all-important social media icons. Now let's add those elements. Within the editor, search for the tab or button that says Add Elements. It's generally represented by a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding various features to your website, not just social icons. Once you click, a menu will expand, offering various elements, for instance, text, images, and more. From the Elements menu, focus on the section labeled Social. Click on this. You're now nearing completion. In this section, you'll find a variety of social media icons to choose from. Wix offers a comprehensive selection, so you'll likely find all the popular platforms you need. Take your time to browse and select the icons that fit your site's style. The final step? Select the social media icon you desire. Once you have found the right icon, simply tap on it. This action will add it directly to your site. You can then move, resize, and link these icons to your actual social media pages. A useful tip here is to place the icons in an easily visible area, such as your header or footer, to maximize engagement. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your Wix site, enhancing its connectivity and inviting your visitors to engage with your brand across platforms. Experiment with different layouts and designs until you're satisfied with the look. With these icons in place, you're more than ready to boost your online presence. Keep customizing and stay creative.